This is due to learning how to weld. I'm not proud of these cuts, but it'll do. I'm gonna try and tack right down here and then fill out those huge gaps. These are my sit-ins. Unsuccessful. Well, successful tack. Okay. Holy shit! Oh shit! Grounding issues. I think that's grounding issues. What? I got burned, but I did a weld, bye. I did a weld. Oh, there's holes in it. Oh, let me clean that up. Yo, bro. Am I a welder, bro? Yo, look at that. Kind of burned the chair, but yo, I'm a welder.
I am a welder. Damn.
Guys, I think I'm a welder. Shit. And imagine I clean it up, it's gonna look even better.